Let's be real. We're all drowning in AI hype. But how do you actually turn all that noise into real, measurable profit? It's not about grabbing the newest, shiniest tool. It's about having a much, much smarter strategy. So let's break down how you actually go from a simple prompt to a profitable business outcome. So let me start by asking you a really important question. Think about it for a second. Are you truly in the driver's seat using AI to hit your specific goals? Or does it sometimes feel like AI is using you? Pulling you down a rabbit hole of endless new apps and trends that make you feel busy but not really productive. This is what we call the AI hype trap, and it is so easy to fall into. It's that constant feeling of chasing the next big thing, copying and pasting prompts you found online, and automating tasks. But are you automating the right tasks? So often, we just end up automating noise, which just creates more busy work without adding any real value.
To get out of that trap, you really have to shift your entire perspective. The answer isn't just another tool, I promise you. It's a brand new mindset. It's about finding where the real lasting advantage of AI actually is.
This quote right here, this absolutely nails it. The true power of AI isn't about volume. It's not about cranking out 1,000 blog posts. The real win, the game changer, comes from using AI to level up the quality of your own thinking. Let's unpack that a little. Instead of just seeing AI as a glorified intern checking things off your to-do list, you need to start seeing it as a multiplier for your brain, a partner that scales your ability to strategize, to analyze, and to make those really big, important decisions. That's where the real power lies. Okay, so this whole thinking better idea sounds great, right? But how do you actually, do it? Well, Wings AI has developed a super clear system for this, a blueprint designed to help you win. Let's dig into their 4-layer framework. So this is the entire strategic journey laid out. See how it all starts at layer 1? Thinking. This is your foundation. It's about getting crystal clear on your strategy before you do anything else. From there, you move into creation, turning those smart ideas into something real, like a prototype. Then, and only then, do you get to execution, where you automate the workflows you now know are the right ones. And finally, layer 4, learning, closes the loop so you're always getting smarter. And here it is. This is the critical difference. Most people jump right into layer 3. They're trying to automate everything before they even have a solid strategy. But the winning play? It starts at layer 1. You have to figure out the what and the why before you can ever optimize the how. Winners get clear first. Everyone else just builds busy workflows. Okay, so that's the theory. But how does this framework actually become an engine that drives growth in the real world? Let's connect the dots from this high-level strategy to the actual tools that make you money. The whole thing is fueled by a prompt library. But listen, these aren't your average one-line prompts. They are designed specifically to force you to think better. That improved thinking that informs your entire AI strategy, which then lets you build really focused MVPs and workflows. You can see the cascade, right? Each step just naturally flows into the next, all leading to what we actually want, measurable business outcomes. It all comes down to asking better questions. I mean, it sounds simple, but it's everything. Let's take a super practical example from the Wings AI library, the Business Idea Validator. Instead of just vaguely asking AI, hey, is this a good idea? You use a structured prompt that forces a really deep strategic dive. And just look at the kind of output you get. This isn't a simple, yeah, looks good. It's a full-on strategic analysis that gives you incredible clarity. It makes you examine your idea from every possible angle, the market, competitors, risks, and then it gives you a clear verdict. Pursue it, refine it, or drop it. This is the difference between guessing and making a truly informed decision. So ultimately, the big shift here is moving from seeing AI as just another tool in the toolbox to partnering with it as your strategic co-pilot. You're literally using it to upgrade your own ability to think. So what does that mean for your business on a practical level? Well, the outcomes are pretty awesome. You move faster because you're not stuck in analysis paralysis. You make decisions with way more confidence because they're backed by data and structured thought. And you build with intention, knowing every single thing you do is aligned with a clear, smart strategy. Let me just say this one more time, because it's so important. This is not about getting a machine to think for you. It's about using the machine to make your own thinking, your most valuable skill, even better. It's not replacement. It is 100% an upgrade. And so I'll leave you with a question to chew on. Think about what's on your plate right now. What is the one big decision, the one tricky strategic problem that you could tackle differently using this kind of thinking? What's the one thing you could upgrade with AI today?